All right, guys, what's going on? Thanks for stopping by Don's Modeling Bench again. I just wanted to give you another quick update on the Revell 148B17 that I'm building for the HobbyLink International Wings of World War II group build. If you haven't been over there, go over there and check it out. HobbyLink International. It's a great website, bunch of great guys there building some really awesome models. There's some great group builds going on there. The Wings of World War II. There's just finished a Star Wars group build back in May. There's a Star Trek group build going on right now. There's lots of group builds going on. Braille scale, several others. Check it out if you get a chance. HobbyLinkInternational.com. But anyway, just wanted to give a quick update here. I got the top of the plane painted, and I've been working on some decals. Got the decals on the side there, on the tail fin, on both sides, on the sides of the cockpit canopy there. Got the nose art on. Can't really see it though. The light's blowing it out. Maybe you can see it a little better there. Got that on. The windows are still masked up. I can't show the lighting. Got the stars and bars there on the wing, and got the one underneath there on that wing. But once I get the flat coat on it, well, get the detail painting done and then get the flat coat on it, I'll be able to unmask the windows, and then I can show the lighting again. But it's coming along pretty good. I've had one casualty. This fiber optic in this wing right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There it is. This one on the bottom here broke up inside the wing. So it's probably not going to be working when the model's finished, but I wasn't going to tear it apart, and just to fix up one fiber optic. But that's about it. Really short video this week. Just wanted to give a quick update on what I've got done. I really love these Warbirds decals. They really put a little decal solvent on them, and they suck right down all the panel lines and everything. So Warbirds makes some really good decals. I use microsol on them, and they seem to suck right down there. But that's about it. I got this turret finished. I don't remember if I had it finished in the last video or not, but it's ready to go in. That's about it. These decals take a little time. Haven't had time to get much else done. So but anyway, thanks for stopping by, and if you get a chance, swing by HobbyLinkInternational.com and check them out. Really great community. But I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all have a good one, and maybe I'll have more done next week. So have a good one, and catch you next time on Don's Modeling Bench. See ya.